buffer solution. Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel. I am Atanu Betal, and in this video we discuss about the topic buffer solution. What is buffer solution and what are the types of buffer solution, how buffer solution is prepared. So our discussion is what is buffer solution and the formation of buffer solution and types of buffer solution. So in this video we want to know about the what is buffer solution, for preparation of buffer solution or the formation of a buffer system, and types of buffer solutions. So these are the main three topics that we want to discuss in this video. First is what is buffer solution. In this question we have to answer that buffer solution is a solution in which pH or hydrogen ion concentration. Buffer solution is a solution where pH or hydrogen ion concentration remain almost same after addition of small amount of an acid, base or water. So our definition of buffer solution is a solution in which the pH or hydrogen ion concentration of the solution remain almost same, not constant. It's almost same or almost constant after addition of small amount of an acid, base or water. So buffer solution is a solution where pH is constant. If we add acid, water or base from outside, its pH does not change appreciably. Okay, its pH remains same. Suppose here in this beaker or in this beaker we are taking buffer solution and its pH of the solution is 4. pH of the buffer solution is 4 and we add small amount of acid. Acid means H plus. When we add small amount of acid or small amount of base, base means OH minus. When we add the base, small amount of base OH minus to it, or water, okay, its pH is remain as 4. Its initial pH is 4, and when we add H2O, H plus or OH minus from outside to this solution, the pH will remain almost 4. So this is water, this is acid, this is base. After addition to this solution, buffer solution, where pH is 4, it needs to change, either increase or decrease, but buffer solution does not change its pH level almost remain constant, pH level to 4. So this is what is buffer solution. Buffer solution is a solution if you add acid, base or water from outside, its pH level does not change appreciably. Next important thing is the formation of buffer solution, preparation of buffer solution, preparation of buffer solution. Preparation of buffer solution. Buffer solution is prepared by weak acid plus its salt, weak acid plus its salts, or by weak base plus its salt. Buffer solution is prepared by weak acid with its salt or weak base with its salts. For example, we take weak acid as acetic acid and its salts, this one sodium acetate. This is a salt of strong base and weak acid. Okay, so a buffer solution is formed when acetic acid and sodium acetate are mixed together. By mixing acetic acid and sodium acetate, a buffer solution is formed and it is called acidic buffer. Acidic buffer solution. Acidic buffer solution preparation is by weak acid and its salts, where the salt is coming from the salt of strong base and weak acid. So here this is acid and this is the conjugate base of acid. So acid plus its conjugate base mixture. Acid plus conjugate base mixture, it is acid and its conjugate base. So acid plus its conjugate base mixture in high concentration. Acid plus conjugate base mixture in high concentration. Okay, for acidic buffer we have to for the preparation of acidic buffer we have to add acid and its conjugate base mixture with high concentration, and acidic buffer is produced. So acidic buffer is produced by the addition of weak acid and its salts. Now basic buffer solutions, weak base and its salts. Suppose we take weak base ammonium hydroxide and its salts NH4Cl, which is coming from strong acid, Okay, so the ammonium hydroxide and ammonium chloride when mixed together, it is called the buffer solution as basic buffer solution. Okay, so this one is the preparation of basic buffer solutions. For preparing basic buffer solutions we need a weak base and its salts. The salts is coming from the strong acid, reaction of strong acid and weak base. So when weak base is mixed with the salts, its salts which is coming from strong acid, reaction of strong acid, a basic buffer solution is formed. Buffer solution preparation means both type of buffer solution, acidic buffer solution and basic buffer solution is prepared by mixing this type of substances. And types, if we talk about the types, uh, buffer solution are two types. Buffer solutions are two types. One is acidic buffer and another is basic buffer. Acidic buffer solution and basic buffer solution, these are two types of buffer solution, and it is from, an example is acetic acid with sodium acetate, this mixture. And for basic buffer solutions, ammonium hydroxide is mixed with ammonium chloride. So this is basic buffer solution is from. Okay, so the action by which the buffer solution resists its pH and the resist its pH does not change it appreciably, it's called the buffer actions. Buffer action. Buffer action is the topic where buffer solution resists the change its pH and resists the change its pH through which is called buffer action. And in this video we do not cover this buffer action or the mechanism of buffer solution in acidic and basic medium or the buffer capacity. These I will cover this topic in another video, and this is the end of this video, and thank you for watching this video. If you find this video useful, then like it, and and if you find that my channel is useful to you, then subscribe this channel.